First ever video from my car, and I'm super excited, let me tell you. I just broke the biggest rule that independent authors should never break. I went to my local bookstore, and I didn't have any of my book in my car. Didn't bring them with me. The bookstore was out of my book. So now I've got to go back tomorrow and bring my book to their store so they can put my book on their shelves and sell it, which I'll have more videos about that later, about that process later. But as an independent author, I should always have my books on the store or books in my car, because you never know when a bookstore is going to run out of my books, right? Especially if I have them on consignment. So, but I also picked up a couple of books while I was there, spent some money, of course. It's another rule that I will tell you in the relationship between independent authors and bookstores is always support your bookstores, always buy books from them, as well as put your books on their shelves. I bought Tales from the Death Star, Star Wars comic book, hardcover comic book. Quick, easy Star Wars read. I'm a Star Wars fan. The Jedi Masters Quiz book, which came out in 1982. I had this as a kid. My version doesn't have a cover anymore, so quick, easy buy to buy another one. Then I bought this Balzac's Droll Stories, which sounds dirty just by the title, but it's French satirical humor from the 18th century, early 19th century. Not really sure what it's about. There's stories about the devil, stories about succubi, kind of horror, twisted, dark stuff, but it's all French and it's all satire. But the book is not French, it's translated. Took a chance. This was like less than $10. So, but anyway, that's what I bought. Broke rule number one of independent authors. Support your local bookstores, support your local authors, and be back there tomorrow to bring them my book. Later.